Baby First. Click the subscribe button below.
Hello, friends, and welcome to GooGoo and GaaGaa's cooking show. Today, we will make a delicious pizza. The ingredients are 1 bag of flour, water, eggs, tomato sauce, and cheese. The toppings are onion, olives, pineapple, tomato, broccoli, and pepperoni. We mix the flour, eggs, and water together in the mixer until we get a nice dough. First, the eggs. 1, 2. Wait, GooGoo. There are still more ingredients. Water, and flour. No, GooGoo, not yet. You look very funny. The dough seems to be ready. Now it's time to flatten it. Hey, GooGoo, with your hands. Aw, hey guys, the dough is supposed to be smooth without any marks. Great job, guys. Now spread the tomato sauce on the dough. Wow, GaaGaa, very beautiful. Now you can put the cheese on the pizza. Great! Now it's time to choose. What toppings do you want on your pizza? We have onion, olives, pepperoni, tomato, broccoli, and pineapple. What would you like? Do you like pineapple, GooGoo? GooGoo doesn't like pineapple. Do you like onions, GooGoo? Yay! Now, GooGoo, you choose what you like. Wait, GooGoo. GaaGaa doesn't like pepperoni. Choose a different topping. Okay, what do we have here? Onion, broccoli, tomato, and olives. Sounds delicious. The last step is to put the pizza in the oven, but be very careful. It's very hot. Now we wait 50 minutes until the pizza is ready. You can set the timer so you won't forget. It's cleanup time. Hey, Gaga, the timer hasn't rung yet. The pizza is not ready. Please be patient. What are you doing? Another pizza? Oh, cookies. That's a good idea. Oh, the pizza is ready. Let's take it out.
I smell something delicious. Yum, yum. Wow, what is this wonderful smell?
Hello, Hug. GooGoo and Gaga have made a delicious pizza.
Can I have a piece?
Yes.
Ooh, yum, yum. This is good. Thank you. Yum, 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 yum.
What do I smell here? What is that smell? Hello, friends. Hello, Harry. It's the pizza Gaga and GooGoo made. Can I taste it, please? Yes, of course. Oh, wow! Thank you! Bye! Wow, your pizza must be really good. Your friends really liked it. But now you must be hungry too. Have a piece. Oh no, there is no pizza left. Everyone ate it all. Don't be sad. I know. Wait a second.
Did somebody order pizza?
I did. A whole pizza just for you guys. Bon appetit.
Do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.